Hi, this is William from Cathy Ryan Homes eXp Realty. We are excited to show you how our proprietary online offers process works. Because of our extensive inventory of listings, we experience a very high volume of calls and are unable to answer them or to respond to emails or texts. All the information and details you need is uploaded to the MLS in the Remarks and Documents section. Please review all the documents that have been made available for the properties you are interested in. Our listings are placed on our proprietary online offers platform at 14daystosold.com. Think of the selling process as an online auction for real estate for one that's 100% transparent. Buyers can submit as many offers as they want and are 100% in control of how much they're willing to pay for a home. We don't work with blind highest and best offers. These are not distressed properties. The starting price is chosen by the seller is not necessarily the final price. The sellers have the right to accept or reject or negotiate all offers. All offers must be submitted through our website, 14daystosold.com. Offering details on each property or on the corresponding property page for you to easily review. Remember, you must be logged in to place an offer. Everything in our process is fully transparent. Our sellers have instructed us not to accept or review any offers or contracts sent prior to the end of the online offers window. Again, please remember that you must be logged in to place an offer, and you will not be able to offer until your account is activated. Only pre-approved buyers can make an offer on a home. Buyers must be pre-approved for a loan and submit a DU loan approval. If you're a cash buyer, you must submit proof of funds in order to place an online offer. Your account will not be activated and allowed to make an offer until we receive your loan pre-approval or proof of funds. A pre-qualification is not a pre-approval. If you send the pre-qual letter, your buyer's account will not be activated and would not be able to make an offer. We must first receive a loan approved or proof of funds in order to place an online offer. Your account will not be activated or allowed to make an offer until we receive these things. Buyer's agent commissions are paid from the agent commission on each property owner, clearly stated when making an offer at 14daystosold.com. Please see the MLS for the specific buyer's agent commission being paid. All the information you need is in the MLS Remarks and Documents section, and will be at the open house as well to answer all your questions. I'm looking forward to seeing you there.